Since 1968, Carron Asphalt Paving Incorporated has provided high-quality, cost-effective asphalt paving solutions throughout Northeastern Ohio. We proudly offer residential and commercial asphalt paving, maintenance, and repair services in the Cleveland, Ohio metropolitan area. From parking lot marking and pothole filling to new parking lot construction, we're staffed and equipped to handle asphalt projects of all sizes. Additionally, we offer pavement marking, lighting, signage, concrete paving, and curbing. Contact our professionals today to schedule a site evaluation with us, and we'll discuss your project with you and provide an estimate. Remember, Carron Asphalt Paving Incorporated for all your asphalt paving needs. 440-467-0863.